from HIGHTOP. I'm now here in the layer house during installation. You can see workers are installed the cages here. Here I'm going to show you some details, some equipment from of the whole house. After you come in the house, you will see these deflectors. We call it deflectors. This is used to change the air direction because there are cooling pads outside the house. Cooling pad is used to cool the hot air outside the house. So when the cold air comes into the house, we use such deflector to change the air direction. So cold air won't come to the chickens directly. We change the cold air direction to the upper part. So the cold area air won't affect the chickens. The chickens won't get cold. So they are healthy, they are safe. All these are deflectors.
看我的，
你的更黑，
比你那个亮多了，是吧？那牛姐拍的好白呀。
This part is the front drinking line, the front part of the whole drinking line. We put the filters, net kickers here to make sure the water for the chickens is clean. And you have the med kicker here to put the medicines for the chickens. And the 5 reels egg collection machine. This is the one set egg collection machine. One set egg collection machine for one row of chicken cage. The chickens lay eggs here, and all eggs will roll out onto the nylon belt. This white belt is egg collection belt. We fix the egg belt with such clips, such plastic clips. This is used to fix the belt on the cage. Eggs will on the belt and be transferred by the belt to the front part of the egg machine. Eggs from each tier of the cage will be transferred to this front part. And before eggs goes to the blue cloud, we have a very important device here, the red part. The red part is a very important equipment. This equipment is used to filter the broken eggs, the cracked eggs, or the soft eggs. Those bad eggs, we don't want it. So it will drop into the platform here. And these 2 blocks, you can see there are 2 steel sheet here. This is used to change the egg collection, the movement direction, to change the direction. So, for example, the eggs from the second tier will move like such direction. However, the first tiered eggs will transfer to the left direction and right direction. So the eggs won't be crowded in the egg collection machine. And so you can see that we have our engineers, our technicians have think of many ways to try to solve the problems of the farmers. So choose HIGHTOP. you will be surely have a very scientific, very easy to manage chicken farm.